Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. This is my Volkswagen T5. I've had it for a little over 6 years now, and I absolutely love this van because it's basically a blank canvas. These transporters are completely empty from the inside, which means I get to make it into what I need. So this is one thing I really think is important, that my material possessions, I want them to fit my life, and I don't want to accustom my life to my material possessions, if that makes sense. So one of the customizations, or the bigger customizations that I did to this car, was to build it into a transporter slash cargo slash camping mobile. Back then I didn't have a camper, but I still needed the car to work as a transporter, so it was a cargo camping combination, and it worked fine. Well, now I have a proper camper, so I don't have to use the combination of cargo and camping anymore, which means I need to start fresh with my van. And the first thing I want to change is I want to have carpet in the van. I know this is probably a very, very bad idea. There are 1,000 reasons not to do it, but there's one reason to do it, and that is Smudo loves carpets. So let's go. The next thing I really want to build is a box that is foldable, that is also a dog bed, that I can also put groceries inside and my motorcycle on top. What I need is a foldable dog bed that I can also use for transporting groceries or whatever, but that is very, very easy to get rid of. So I can fold it down, because I need the full length of my transporter if I want to transport my motorcycle. So I already see some very complicated hinges coming my way. So instead of building it with an expensive material, I will do a little prototype. Let's go. All right, the proof of concept seems to work. Let's build the real thing. Super geil, oder? Mega. Right, it actually works super well, surprisingly well to be honest, but there are some minor details that I want to change. And that's it. It works so well. And I think it looks pretty good. And even if I want to take out the whole thing, it is just 6 screws that attach it to the van. So I think this is a pretty cool box. I hope it inspires you to make your material possessions fit your life and not the other way around. For some reason, that always makes me happy and feel better about owning stuff and not being owned by stuff. I sound like Tyler Durden. I'm sorry. I'm okay. I just wanted to build this box. Either way, you know what I mean. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.